Peace. I just thought about something, right? I was watching this video that I'm doing, but I gotta do a second part to it, so I ain't uploaded it yet. I'm trying to figure out how to do the second part. Blah 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 blah. Anyway, something hit me. I was like, I wonder if that's what that is now. You remember back in the day when Tupac was beefing with it, everybody hit him up, New York, blah 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 blah, right? You remember he was beefing with Mobb Deep, right? Now, what's Mobb Deep's like number one song of their career, if you will, or the top three? Shook Ones, right? And what's the line in there that everybody knows from that song, right? Ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Lassane Paris crooks. Man, I know they had to. I was like, I wonder. I started thinking, but I don't know, obviously. But I'd be damned. They don't, that's for my hip hop heads. Y'all digest that and you tell me, right? It's just something that popped in my head. But I'm gonna tell you this while I'm here. The other day was a new moon in Taurus, and I did the video, and something went past me, which is sad considering I attempt to know the chart at all times. A major movement of a planet to another sign. Uranus, which is a generational planet, it spends about 7 years in each sign, just moved to Taurus on the same day as the new moon in Taurus. Like, you understand, this planet moves sign to sign every 7 years. It's been in Aries the past 7 years. It just hit Taurus, I think, on the 15th. If not the 15th, the 14th, right? The new moon in Taurus. New moon means the sun is in Taurus, the moon is in Taurus. And on that day, because you'll have about a 3-day period where the sun and the moon is in the same sign, that on that time, Uranus, the generational planet, moves into Taurus. So that was a hell of a new moon, which, slipped right by me, for whatever reason. I mean, I ain't perfect. But anyway, what's going on, because I'm glad it did slip by me, because I was able to study the past 2-3 days in hindsight with this knowledge, as opposed to trying to decipher as I go. And I realized that what's going on is Uranus is like Uranus rules the higher aspects of Aquarius. Uranus is your epiphanies. Uranus brings your epiphanies. Uranus is that, oh shit, like that's why. Oh, okay, so blah 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 blah. That light, that spark of light in your mind, in your pineal gland, that's Uranus. Okay, so it being 0 degrees Taurus, what is going, like, you are going to be doing inventory on your life. I was doing this, my wife was doing this, and we just assumed it was because of the new moon was in Taurus. We didn't realize, because we hadn't looked at everything. But you're going to be doing an inventory of your life, like, I got this, I got that, this is why I got this, that, and insight, and once you start to look at it, insights are going to come to you once you start to ponder things. You understand what I'm saying? I bet you've been doing a lot of overthinking, all right, concerning where you are, who you are, what do you want to do. You understand what I'm saying? What you want to set your focus on. This is Taurus. Taurus is your self-identity. I have. I am the Aries, and then I have. Is you distinguishing yourself from your things. What are you compared to, what you have? Does your job make you? Does your YouTube videos make you? You understand what I'm saying? So that's the energy that's going to be permeating for 7 fucking years. It's about self-enlightenment. Stops. I would say it's probably why you have such distractions as Kanye West, and with him being the moon Pisces, it's Neptune. Neptune rules Pisces, not Uranus. My bad. that's what you have the distractions for, because, you know, if you steadily contemplating on them, you analyzing what they had, but you're not getting no insights for yourself. You see? So you being very critical of others in this sun still in Taurus. You got about, what, Monday? Yeah, like one day left. But it's because of that Uranus in Taurus, and that's what's really got you, you know, really looking at every little thing and questioning why is that there. You know what I'm saying? So, man, my nose itching. It's just allergies, which I didn't even realize I had allergies. Like, I don't know, it's weird, but anyway. So, you know, halfway crooks, I think they was talking about Pac. I think they was talking about Pac with that line. You know what I'm saying? I think that's why it's resonated, because people who know what they talking about. You know what I mean? But and then you know, you know, Uranus is in Taurus. Google Uranus in Taurus, and you know, you understand what I'm saying? Get you some insights on what this 7 years is going to bring. Okay? So, well, let me think about something for a second. Uranus had to win in Aries in 2011, every 7 years. I didn't look that up. But if you think about it, like, you know, Facebook and shit, when did Facebook, like, really blow up? You know, you understand what I'm saying? I know MySpace and shit was like 08 and 09, wasn't it? You know, look up Uranus and Aries, and I bet you'll find something concerning the information, the technological improvements from 2010 to now. I mean, we've had a lot. Like, these phones have, you know, tripled in everything. Size and capacity and power and usages and all of it. So, you know, anyway, peace and love. I just want to say that real quick. You know, Uranus, you know, damn, I can't stand myself for saying that shit's annoying. Uranus is in Taurus. This is a major aspect. It's about your physical attainments. Okay? So, 7 years of that, probably how to use what you got to get what you want. You understand what I'm saying? Essentially, that's what I'm getting out of it anyway. You know, Taurus is I have, right? So you see, you take an inventory since we early 0 degrees, but through this next 7 years, it's going to be about, you know, how can I transform where I am? Because Uranus is about transformation. How can I transform? Uranus is about change, you know, into a better person, you know, and have more. You know, we shouldn't be, a lot of us conscious have shunned prosperity. You know, we got this poor righteous teacher mentality. I got that myself, like, you know, fuck money and all that, but we, you know, that ain't what that is. You need that to eat, baby. So, you know, I'm trying to stop from saying, you know, for whatever fucking reason. It's like, that's my placeholder instead of saying, I suppose. But anyway, figure that out. Uranus Taurus, Sun's about to hit Gemini, and damn, Sun about to hit Gemini. I didn't even realize that, because my birthday is coming up. And but whatever, I ain't got shit to do with these videos. Take it easy, peace.